In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club login page not opening. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, give a first restart to your router. Next thing you want to do is refresh the login page. You can completely close the browser and reopen it. If you are using the mobile app, first close the app and launch it again. This can resolve temporary loading glitches. Likewise, clear cache and cookies for the browser. For that, click on three dots, click on the option delete browsing data and confirm the deletion. Next, check for browser updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the browser in which you are using Sam's Club. If you found any updates for it, just update it. If you have enabled any browser extensions, you will need to disable it as well. Next, try in Incognito Mode. For that, launch the browser, click on three dots, select the option New Incognito tab. Now head over to the website Sam's Club, and from here you can try to access it. And lastly, you can also check the server status of Sam's Club by heading to the website and detector. Now if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If the solution didn't work out for you, you can contact Sam's Club support team. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.